Hello and welcome to Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I am Pamela and I'd like to say thank you for joining in on my channel. If you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet, even though I do like to add in a few other things here and there. Like the other day I did, and I'll leave a link to the video, but it was one of those LED face masks, the red light therapy type thing, and I am still doing that, and I think it's doing a wonderful job on my face. But I'll keep you guys updated on that if you saw that video. If you haven't, I'll leave the link to that. And I am still enjoying my Valera pillow that I received from Crafties, and I like that a lot, and my granddaughter likes it too. But anyway, so I like to show other things on this channel besides just crochet. But today's video is my subscriber spotlight video, and that's where I get to showcase all the beautiful, wonderful things that you guys are working on. And oh my gosh, last week's video, I had so many of you and a lot of new ones, new folks or new subscribers, and a lot of my regulars. Everybody just jumped right in there and was posting things, and it was so exciting to have all of those. Matter of fact, I had more video of me talking, and I had to delete half of the things that I talked about because I had so many of you guys submitting, or else the video would have been 20-25 minutes long. So I just want to say thank you guys for submitting all of your projects that you're working on and your finished projects and giving us the ideas. Last week, if you missed it, it was a lot of fall ideas. So yeah, I really like that. So if you guys have any more fall projects that you're working on, please put them in the Facebook group page, and I will put it on here. Halloween, you know, any of that type of stuff. And so anyway, I just want to say thank you guys for all that. So grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. I guess I'll start with one of the things that I am working on. Okay, so I'm working on this Annie's Serene Shore wrap. Very easy pattern. At first I thought it was going to be a little difficult trying to memorize the 2-row repeat, but I don't know, probably after I got into about row 15 or so, it started clicking and I was able to do it without memory. For the first 15 rows or so, I was having to look back at the pattern. But Annie's, I think it's the Hook and Needle Kit. Yeah, the Hook and Needle Kit Club is crochet and knit. So this is the crochet version of this shawl. But if you like to knit, here is a knitted version of the shawl. So let me show you where I'm at on that. And I like this pattern so much, I thought that I might make some of these in other colors and stuff and put them up for sale in my Etsy shop. So if any of you are interested, I'm going to have some of these up for sale. But here's what I've gotten so far. Look at that, guys. Isn't it beautiful? I was actually, oh, and I like the way the light's shining through it. Look at that. Very nice. So I was actually thinking this would make a wonderful table runner. Just redo it in some cotton yarn. Yeah, I really like this pattern. So I'm not sure how much I've got left. Not too much. I've already started on the second half. Where is that stitch marker? There it is. So one half of it is like this long right here. And that is like from your neck down. And then I'm on my second half. So see, I don't have that much left and I'll be done with this. And I do believe I'm going to go ahead and block it just because. But it's so pretty. I love this. Absolutely love this. The yarn that they sent in the kit is the Premier Color Fusion DK. This is it right here. The color is blue. Blue Jeans is the color. And it's a 3 light, machine wash, warm, tumble dry. And let's see, what's it say else? 100% acrylic, and it's 325 yards. And I am on my second skein, and it's not going to take this whole skein. So there will be a little bit of yarn left over. Now, I don't have any fringer on it yet. So if I add that, it may take up more. All right, let's see my next Annie's kit that I have received in the mail from them. My package, and I see some red yarn in here. Let's see. Oh, wow. You know, I've always wanted to make one of these and I just haven't done this yet. So this is the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. It looks like picnic placemats. Okay, so there's the crochet version and there's the knitted version. So I'm excited about that. Let's see what yarn we have. The anti-peeling, you guys know I love this. The Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday Worsted. So we get 2 of the red, and then this cream color, we get 2 of these. Yeah, so we get this right here. Okay, so that is going to be a lot of fun. All right, the next thing I have is I did finish my shawl right here. And I wanted it to be more square, but it ended up being more rectangle shape. So I'm having trouble trying to find some video ideas on how to style this and wear it with your clothes. So I'm just not sure, because I didn't want it to be, you know, just the same old wrap like that. And so I'm watching some video clips and getting some ideas on how to wear this a little bit different for you guys. So that will be an upcoming video when I find the right way. There's so many ideas that people have on how to wear these things, and I just got to find the one that fits me, you know? All right, guys, let's go ahead and see all the wonderful, beautiful things that you guys are working on. Okay, here we have what Rose is working on. She found this knit and crochet book off of eBay, and she said that she's already worked up this cute little baby hat, and that is so cute. Thank you so much, Rose, for sharing that with us. Okay, here we have what Cynthia is working on. She says that this week she finished her version of the Hexicardi. She said, I know the colors are different, but it's all from the same cake. Premier Sweet Roll DK in Yellowstone. She said it hasn't been blocked yet, but she has seamed it on the outside. Well, that is beautiful, and I love when the colors work up separately on the different sides like that. Cynthia, that's beautiful. Thanks for sharing that. Okay, here we have what Melinda's working on. She says that this is out of the blue. She decided to make a Christmas tree skirt. The second is another fall cowl by Fiber Flux. This time she added some black for a Halloween vibe. She said, do people still say vibe? Yes, we do. She said, I couldn't stop myself from starting another tree skirt. This one is from Creative Grandma. Have a fabulous yarny week. Well, you too, Melinda, and thanks for sharing this with us. Okay, now we have what Doreen's been working on. She said that she made a pumpkin for her doctor. She's leaving at the end of the month, and she wanted her to have a gift of appreciation. And for the picture, she added a scripture, 1 Corinthians 13, 1 and 7. Always love, added. Just noticed the table runner that she made years ago is on the table. She can't remember the pattern. Well, it's a beautiful table runner. She said that YouTube and Etsy both are where she finds her patterns for her pumpkins. She said this one is done using the wheat stitch. Hope everyone is getting better with their health and getting time to crochet. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us, Doreen. That's beautiful. Well, here we have what Cheryl's working on. She said that she has a hat and scarf set made with smashed cake, a blanket with Caron spice cake, and another blanket with Hirschner's Heather yarns. And Big Twist Rave yarns will be 2 sweaters, and she said she is busy crazy. Thank you so much, Cheryl, for sharing this with us. Thank you guys so much for sharing your stuff. I appreciate it very much. If you guys are enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that like button. Share my videos. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tap that bell so you'll always be notified of all my videos that I put out. And I just want to say how much I appreciate you guys. All right, let's go ahead and read our Daily Strength for Women. Okay, nothing expected. What can I ever give back to God to repay Him for the blessings that He's poured out on me? You know, it's a good question right there. It's a good thought. That's Psalms 116, verse 12. One of the gifts the Lord has given us is the gift of grace. He expects nothing from us when He has given us everything. We wrestle, like the writer of the psalm, with how to repay God. God does not ask for repayment. He desires devotion. Follow Him, pursue Him. He desires a relationship with you above all else, and that is attainable if you allow Him in. You will find that being devoted to Him is the best gift that you can give yourself. How can we walk in step with God as you go through your day? Wow, this is good. I needed that. How can you walk in step with God as you go through your day? That's something that we need to think about, concentrate on, and do that. We need to do that. Very important. It will strengthen your faith with God. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, live life, and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.